I told you probably 25 times, don't go back. And now here, some just don't get it. I mean, I'm truly at a loss. Truly at a loss to hold you at no bond. Zero bond. This is that type of...
Those warnings you just heard, Judge Fleischer gave them 25 times, but less than a week after walking out of court, Jonathan Lopez is back in handcuffs. The question is, why did he risk it all? This is Jonathan Lopez. Just 6 days ago, he stood here for making terroristic threats. Now, he's back for violating a protective order against his own mother. He claims he was simply confused about an address, but his lawyer actually went to the jail to explain it personally. At stake, the Texas Constitution's zero bond clause. If Judge Fleischer has truly had enough, Jonathan's time on the outside is officially over. To see how lies crumble under courtroom pressure and how real justice is served, hit subscribe and join us for every update. Let's see how this unfolded from the very first minute.
Good morning, Judge Fleischer. How are you doing? I have Jonathan Lopez on docket today. It's a violation of bond conditions. After speaking with him and looking at it, it looks like he signed for bond conditions on March 5th, and that was filed on March 5th, and that stated an address. However, another bond condition, an amended bond conditions, was filed on March 10th with that address crossed out and a new one added in. He wasn't aware of that, and that's the address that he went to for this violation of bond conditions. He's here.
Yeah, if I needed to. This was the case where we came back for amended MOA. Brad was the attorney on it. We came in, we scratched out the old address. It looks like, based on what I saw, his client had initialed it, Brad had initialed it, and we used to stay with it. And it looks like as soon as he got out of jail, he went to that address.
He's not aware of those. Let me pull it up.
So you're saying he did?
Yes, Judge. On the amended book, there's his initials on the amended book, as well as the attorney.
I'll advise him. He was stating that he was unaware that that's why he was initialing. I told him I'll address it with him, but it's a presumption that he knows what he's signing. But I did tell him that I will bring it to your attention.
Does he want?
He's just basically saying that he didn't know what address that he was supposed to be prohibited from. He was under the impression that he's still supposed to be prohibited from the 20915 Barrow Street and not Owens. I told him I would address it with you.
Okay.
We could bring him out if you want to.
I don't know. It's up to you. I mean, if you want to, but it looks like he's got a high bond on the felony case, huh?
Yeah.
And he's not made bond on that case, so he's got a high bond on our case as well.
Yeah, Your Honor, I think it's actually, so there's two Jonathan Lopez. One's a DPO.
Oh,
Sorry, Your Honor. And I know what case you're talking about too.
oh, I see.
This one is just a misdemeanor. This
I have literally two John
and
Lopez's.
Lopez's. Yes.
You're wrong.
I have Santos.
That's why.
So this one, no, he just has this VPO. I did talk to the state. I understand the concerns. I just wanted to bring this to your attention because he's saying that he was unaware of the change of address.
I told him over and over and over. Can you bring him out? Jonathan Lopez? Santos. Here. Hold on, let me make sure you get the right one. Bottom of 38, yeah. If he tries to tell me that he didn't know, I mean, how many times did we say?
Well, this is the case where the plea was re-entered after the MOA was amended, so then you advised him and admonished him once more.
Yeah. I told him I would bring it to your attention, Judge, so.
So this is the one where we did, we did the plea on the terroristic threat, right? The terroristic threat, the evading were dismissed. Or two terroristic threats and an evading were dismissed, right?
That wasn't with me, Judge.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, so No, it was just one terroristic
One
threat.
terroristic
Yeah, it
threat.
was just one. How's jail? Some just don't get it. I mean, I'm truly at a loss. Truly at a loss. When we did the plea, not 6, 7 days ago, I told you probably 25 times, don't go back. And now here, you've picked up a violation of a bond condition of protective order. Let's do probable cause because I don't know. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you, sir. Please.
On March 12, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, officers were dispatched to a violation of a protective order call. The officer met with the complainant, who stated that she found the defendant in her mother's house while there was an active protective order, including a residency restriction. The officer arrived and found the defendant at the location to confirm there was a protective order prohibiting the defendant from being at the location.
So it goes back to mom's house.
Yes, sir.
Not the.
Yes, sir. She went back to the residence.
I don't know what we're gonna. I don't know.
I just want to make sure that he knows or that I wasn't there on the plea before. I just seen that the 2 different filings. He's saying that he didn't know the address.
Problem is that we have
Yeah.
the wrong address,
Right.
so we amended.
So but he was admonished about the new address.
And so far as the lawyer even went to the jail to go talk to him,
Okay.
to tell him. So I did,
Okay.
the lawyer did.
Okay. Well, thank you, Judge. I didn't know that.
I don't know if you're gonna get out, but let me tell you something, and I want to make this really clear to you, Mr. Lopez, is that now, with what you were charged with, the Texas Constitution does not allow me, but in extremely limited circumstances, this being one of those, to have a hearing to hold you at no bond. 0 bond. This is that type of offense. I don't know if you're gonna get out. I don't know if anyone is gonna pony up the $5,000 to get you out. If someone does, I'm going to put an ankle monitor on you. If I find that you violate any of the conditions that I'm going to put on you now, I will have a hearing to hold you at no bond. Do you understand? I don't know what it's going to take to get you to hear me, but perhaps that may be it. I don't want you to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case. I don't want you to have any contact with mom. I don't want you to have any contact with dad. I don't want you to have any weapons. I don't want you to go within 1,000 feet of where they live, or where they work, and the address listed in this order for protection. Do you understand?
Can I have the address, sir?
We will give it to you. Prior to me, I'm going to tell you this now, Ms. Strong, that prior to me accepting anything, any kind of plea bargain in this case, I would like to have a TRAS done to see how we go forward. Because I'm going to tell you now that every time that something, and
I understand, Judge.
okay, all right,
Absolutely.
okay. So we need him to sign conditions real quick, and then we'll give him a copy of the MOA right here, and then he can go back.
Thank you.
Sure, and I'm going to find probable cause as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Judge Fleischer made the call, a $5,000 bond and an ankle monitor for Jonathan. But here's the question. Do you buy the wrong address excuse, or was this a blatant act of defiance? Comment below, Team Lopez or Team Mom? Could you have given him another chance after he ignored 25 warnings? If this case caught you by surprise, hit like. Share this with anyone who thinks the law is always black and white.